Welcome! If you're using Google Chrome on your phone and noticing some websites loading in desktop view instead of the usual mobile layout, don't worry. Today we'll go over exactly how to disable the desktop site view in the latest version of Chrome. This quick fix will make sure sites display properly on your mobile screen again. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This is the menu button that gives you access to Chrome's settings and other options. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select Settings. This will open up Chrome's main configuration page where you can adjust how the browser behaves. Next, find and tap Site Settings. This section controls how websites interact with your browser, things like permissions, cookies, and display preferences. Inside Site Settings, look for the option labeled Desktop Site. Tap on it to open the specific setting that determines whether websites load in desktop mode or mobile mode. Now you'll see a toggle switch next to Desktop Site. If the switch is turned on, Chrome will try to load pages in their desktop version, which often makes text, buttons, and images look smaller or harder to read on a phone. To fix that, simply toggle it off. Once you do that, Chrome will automatically revert to displaying sites in the mobile